Now we are doing C. Let's keep going. We can't stop. So this is going to be the limit. Let me make sure we at the left. This is going to be the limit as x goes towards 3. Try to do it on your own. I know you can. Try to do it on your own and try to see what it is. Be inventive. Come on. So here we have limit as x goes towards 3. You can pause the video, try it on your own, then continue. X squared minus 2x minus 3 all over x minus 3. What is this going to be equal to? I'm going to try to put 3 in the denominator here. Where there's x, it becomes 3 minus 3, which is 0. That can't happen. So I'm going to have to change something. Just by looking at it, I know that it's going to be factorizing the top, okay? That's the only thing I can change. I need to factorize the top. So it's going to be equal to the limit as x goes towards 3 of, let's factorize this top. This is a minus 3, so we put that minus 3 on a t. We put the factors of 3 himself, ignoring the negative for now. It is 1 and 3, okay? 2, no. The next number, 3 is already there, so you stop. It's only 1 and 3. So now what are we going to do? Once we have 1 and 3, we see that there's a negative here. What does that negative tell us? 1 and 3 are going to have different signs. Once you see a negative here, which tells us 1 and 3 are going to have different signs, you want to know who is positive and who is negative, you come to the middle thing here. And you see its sign. Its sign is the sign of the bigger one. It's negative, so the bigger one is going to be negative. Now you try them. 1 minus 3, will it give you the answer here, which is a minus 2? Yes, it will. So these are the factors. 1 and negative 3. So it's going to be x plus 1, then x minus 3. All over x minus 3. Okay? We have factorized the top. Then what are we going to have here? Of course, the x minus 3 and the x minus 3 will cancel. Okay? This is into 1, and yet this is 1. So we'll end up having limit as x approaches 3 of x plus 1. Now, the moment we have something which is not a fraction, you substitute. Where there is x, you put a 3. So this is just going to be 3 plus 1. And our final solution is going to be 4. And this is our solution. And we go on to part D. Goodbye for now. See you in the next one.